my vrouw, ik zie voor jou, dat verlief op jou, verlief op jou, verlief op jou, verlief op jou, verlief op jou.
Place goals to remove the procrastinator, betraying you to put aside your passion. You're on the same page of life's book, pick up the paint, beat the brighter picture. That specific chapter could possibly change your entire story plot. Just be patient and pay attention. There's no need to pull a pistol, pussy. Promise every prayer's gonna push you. Leave plenty of room for improvements of people.
Cause I improve daily, somebody proves daily. Onder de dilemma's, zo staan en we stoppen. Je draai me van geef wat daarbij, dan niet toppie. Je rappen om taxes, je strip aan je onie. Je carrière zo klein als een tolly. Gepraat van tolly, en zo in ons video, hier is een klein borsie. Hier wordt de fit to police is een manskap borsie. Hier is de eerste korsie, de eerste korsie en die laatste korsie.
Yo, it's your favorite white boy reactor from the Bay. What's good, family? We're back here with another banger for the books. And the fact that I didn't even listen to this track today before I'm going into this reaction. I'm so proud of myself. I didn't pre-listen to the track before I came onto the reaction. I'm listening to this first hand with you.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you
We don't care.
And I actually did hear a snippet of this on TikTok, and I must say, this track, for children as young as this to make a track so hard like this is actually mind-blowing to me, to see that someone so young can actually project out a track like this and a moving track like this. And I'm so disappointed in each and everybody that's watched this track or like came across this track and never liked it or gave it a review or anything, because this thing has been out for quite some time and there's way too many views for this thing and way too many likes for like something like this, man. Because this is something that should give people motivation and inspiration to actually pursue what they're doing in life and pursue their talents and stuff, because these guys are so young and they're not sleeping. They're doing what they love. They're doing music. And that should inspire many of the other people that's watching their music or listening to the tracks or just see them and stuff to actually want to go forward with what they're doing and not just sit on the sidelines and wait for something to happen. And one thing about these two Owens, say, for you that don't know, who would have known that John from the group now, Willie and John, this track, are actually brothers with Brian Igmo? Who would have thought that these two were actually brothers? I mean, they do look similar, I must say. Like, look at this man's face. This man looks just like Igmo. That's how I knew he was brothers with Igmo, before I even knew they were brothers with Igmo. Before I even knew he was brothers with Igmo. And yo, we got a track today with Willie and John called Verlief op Jou. Cho, from the track, the snippet of the track I heard now on TikTok, I like the way that they go back and forth in the track. It gives me a nice old school vibe on this thing. It's like these new school rappers, ne? These youngsters, these new youngster, this new young.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Youngster rappers.
Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
These new youngster rappers are still got that old school flavor, say. That old school never died out, bro. It only got revived into a whole different type of style, but still got that old school swag, you know. Like these Owens still got that old school swagger. But oh well, let's check it out.
That's Willie. It's on Daniel. Something's wondering, something's wondering, something's wondering. Ooh, yeah, something's wondering, something's wondering.
I'm not gonna lie, this is catchy as fuck. This is catchy as fuck. Nah, this is catchy as fuck. If I didn't need to do reactions with earphones, nah, I would have played this on my sound system now. I literally would have played this number on my sound system.
Enough to make a grown man cry, but not this man. Get back in there, tear.
Joe, you know what he's saying there in the chorus, Owens? Sometimes I'm wondering. Sometimes I sit and wonder if this kid really loves me. I wonder to myself all the time, you know, if this kid really loves me, if all the shit that I'm doing for this kid is actually worth it, you know, if in the end if she's going to actually be the one for me and be with me in the end, or is she just going to be another life lesson? And some deep shit there, bro. Sometimes wonder ek, moe, waarom kyk vir my?
Sy lief vir my. Bro, ek is lief vir jou. Maar sy cheat op my. Of course is dan 'n alay.
See, here's this back and forth that I saw, bro. I know this, ek sê. I don't care what artist does this, ne? I know when artists go back and forth on a track, it really gives me that old school vibe, man. The last time I actually heard someone do this is when Mr. Ellis and Jimmy G dropped their track back to back freestyle was the last time we heard something like that.
Bars, elke keer voor ik aardbaars. Jammy money voor ik douw een skill. Je third eye open, jij ziet niet goes en jij je samen met ill. Hard times gaan is keer reveal. Die darkness gaan is heel reveal. Maandag tot maandag. Die aanvraag zal je staan voor je dadders. Move samen met papas en hulle kennen bul karakters. Yeah. Die goed presteren bul karakters. Hulle kennen jongens en keer ik te blame. Ik moet change, ik ken die zelf wil blame.
But yo, this is actually hard, go. Just sit.
Something's wonder ek. Jy raak lief vir my. Sy lief vir my. Bro, ek is lief vir jou. Maar sy cheat op my. Of course is dan 'n alay. Maar sy weer geplay, sy cheat op my. Ek dink is tyd vir 'n ander lyn.
Yo. Now this is why he was wondering if this kid is really in love with him, because he's trying to wonder if he's cheating on her, because this bra is saying that this kid is cheating on him. Don't you know that this kid is cheating on you and you love him and all of this? See, his bra is trying to warn his bra, trying to help his friend. It's a real bra, this, my bro. A lot of bras will pump your girl behind your back, but not every bra will tell you that your girl is pumping someone behind their back. Ek lief vir jou.
Maar sy cheat op my.
Dit is net 'n nalei.
Maar sy weer geplay, sy cheat op my. Ek dink is tyd vir 'n ander lyn.
Her ma's se chops, man. Her ma's se goeie voete.
What the fuck? No!
She's cheating on him, but she's giving him the blame. Nee, dis kakval, my bro. Nagan. You know, my one bro, ne, his girl broke up with him and he was in love with this girl so much and stuff, ne. And when she broke up with him, we asked her, why did you break up with him and stuff, ne. She said, oh, because my granny passed away. I couldn't handle it. Women would use any excuse, ne, to cheat or break up with you, but use a name in that excuse. Anything but use a name in that excuse. No offense to any woman watching this. Amy, if you're watching this, no offense. No offense. Just talking about past experiences.
Bro, ek is lief vir jou. Maar sy cheat op my. Of course is dan 'n alay.
2,000 years later.
Sy lief vir my. Bro, ek is lief
Lief vir jou.
Maar
Is
sy
dit nie op my?
Of course is dan 'n alay. Maar sy weer geplay, sy cheat op my. Ek dink is tyd vir 'n ander lyn.
Hey.
Dom is jouer.
Bouwer.
Maak reg bouwer. Ek was lief vir
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I think like these owns mentalities, ne? If she cheats once, she can always change. I think that these owns have that mentality, ne? That nobody fucking crosses them wrong. There's always that spark of God in them that can change them and change the mentality and like the intuition and the intentions toward other men and stuff, like to them now, their boyfriends. And now John is telling Willie that, well, don't break up with her. You must still marry with her. Build a life with her. Put your trust into it. Do everything with her. She's the one, my bro. He's trying to tell him that just wait. Hold up. Wait till all that breaking up got. Just give it time, my bro. Just give it time. And patience. I heard something by someone An old man told me this in a tavern years ago when I was playing pool. He said that real love is patient.
Is liever, ik wist die donkere storms gaan we daar. Maak me jouw hart zo
So,
in de lijn. Moet die
Okay.
dames jouwer, trouwer, makkerig bouwer. Ik was liever, eindelijk ik is liever. Ik wist die donkere storms gaan we daar. Maak me jouw hart zo eienaar. Want ik is lief voor jou, ik is nou nog lief voor jou.
hey.
Met jouw flaws zie ik wie a bright future in jou.
Oh, with your
I am under the water. Please help me. Here too much raining.
flaws, I still see a bright future in you. Sisters, that is a ball, I say. That is a ball. I'm not gonna lie, I'm like that also, ne. I will look past your flaws because I see something more special inside you. I see something more special in your soul than what the image that you project that the other people talk about. Stan, away.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
A future in jou, a future in
En
jou,
jou.
a future in jou.
Sure. Nah, I fuck with that. I fuck with that. I fuck with that. These Owens have mad potential, ik say.
Met jouw flaws zie ik wie a bright future in jou. A future in jou, a future in jou, a future in jou, a future in jou. Maar
I don't care who's watching this. I don't care what you say about me as you're watching me say this now, but this song, my bro, this is making me think of my ex that I lost the moment I came out of high school, my bro. Jesus. It's been almost now. This year ends, it's going to be 2 years we've been broken up and I still haven't forgotten that chick, bro. She still hasn't been off my mind. So yeah, this track, my bro, is hitting memories.
maak me jou op, maak me jou op. Ik hou van jou, ik hou van jou.
Shoo!
Van jou.
That is clean, bro. That is clean, bro. That is clean.
Maak me jou op, maak me jou op. Ik hou van jou, ik hou van jou. Van jou,
Van jou.
van jou. Ik hou
Make me your man. Make me your man. Your number one man, your boyfriend. Because I fuck with you. I really feel you. I got a lot of good intention, a lot of love and feeling for you. Come in. Let's be something. Let's be one. Let's be united, you know. Hey.
van jou. Een 12-jarige leid die gereed om een man te wees. Voor 10 jaar.
Just so this little man's 12 years old, ik say, and he's spitting like this. Nah, this Bruce got it. This Bruce got it. No, but he's like, his voice didn't develop into how it should sound, eh? His voice is still going through, you know, the childhood shit. But once his voice cracks, me, bro, all you motherfuckers in this industry must be worried, bro, because this man's gonna come for everybody. Yeah, this man's gonna come. Sure. 12 years old, bro, and he's making music like this already.
Van jou, van jou, van jou, van jou. Ik hou van jou. Een 12-jarige leid die gereed om een man te wees. Voor 10 jaar van jou hart.
A 12-year-old lady dat is gereed om 'n man te wees. Yo. A 12-year-old lady that was made to become a man. That was made to be a man. Damn.
Nice.
Little man is talking groot man shit, ja, ek sê. Haha. Okay.
Van jou, van jou. Ik hou van jou. Een 12-jarige leid die gereed om een man te wees. Voor 10 jaar van jou hart te wees. Van jou hart te wees. Van jou hart te wees. Dat is Willy.
Ooh.
Soms wonder ik, soms wonder ik, soms wonder ik hoe jij voelt mij.
Soms wonder ik.
Soms wonder ik.
You know what? I'm on it, and I feel like this, bro. Johnny's going to have mad potential when he's grown up, because yeah, his voice alone, he's got like a deep tone in his voice, like someone that's already matured, got a matured voice that's deep, like Young Lord Gaza example. So I feel like when he actually gets his matured voice and his voice breaks me, bro, nah, this man is going to be like the Pop Smoke of heartful music, you know. Like you see San, he's going to be like the Pop Smoke of San type of music, that heartfelt music, lyrical heartfelt. Nee, jy dat is vir my wonderlik.
Ik zo'n Daniel confuse me engel. Ik zoek liefde en een volle emmer.
Sis, I hope and I pray that Brian didn't write this for you, bro. I hope what I'm hearing is your written shit. Because this, my bro, yo, engel, immer. Nee, bro. Told you, lyrical shit, bro. Only lyrical shit aside. Lief vir my, dis wonderlik. Sometimes wonderlik, sometimes wonderlik. Ooh, shit is not. Sometimes wonderlik.
Ik zo'n Daniel confuse me engel. Ik zoek liefde en...
Sure. Oh. Okay, I must listen now. Okay. Sometimes wonderlik. Ooh, shit lief vir my.
Ik zo'n Daniel confuse me engel.
I can't lie to you, ne? I can hear what you're saying, but because your voice isn't fully matured and developed, it's a bit mumbly. But did you say I am John, come and be my angel, or you my angel, I'm gonna show you that I'm your angel? Is that what you said there, John? Fuck to that though. Sometimes wonderlik, sometimes wonderlik, sometimes wonderlik. Lief my.
Ik zo'n Daniel confuse me engel. Ik zoek liefde en een volle emmer.
Just as ek soek liefde in 'n volle emmer. Just as he wants so much love from you, ne? He wants so much love from this kind that he's speaking about now. That it must fill up an emmer, my bro. A whole fucking bucket. He wants a bucket full. He wants a bucket full of love, my bro. That's how much love he wants, my bro. And not just on Valentine's, my bro, where you give that whole basket of love, my bro. He wants that emotionally every day. As ja.
Ik zo'n Daniel confuse me engel. Ik zoek liefde en een volle emmer. Voor ons boken kasten.
Now listen! That's called motherfucking bars, nigga! You know nothing about that!
Pause.
Onze onschap boven water. Want jij is mijn asem.
Damn!
Enough to make a grown man cry, but not this man. Get back in there, tear.
Want jij is mijn alles.
You my everything. You the air that I breathe. I literally breathe in the presence of you. Sure. You can see this man is deeply in love, my bro. When he starts saying shit like that, nah, you know that this cunt has got him hooked, bro. She's got him on the handcuffs, bro. Igmo, you must watch out. Your brother might propose in the next music video to this cunt, bro. You must watch out, my bro. Man seems very in love here.
Wat je voor me alles. Ik kies je boer al mijn dames. Mijn alles. Mijn alles. Mijn alles. Als ze lief voor
That's what I'm talking about! That's why he's the MVP! That's why he's the GOAT! The GOAT!
Choose you over everything. Sure. Chooses her over everything, go. Damn.
Het is lief voor jou. Maar ze ziet op mij. Of course is dat een maling. Zij blij mij. Ziet op mij. Als tijd voor aanleiding.
Yep.
Moet die dom zien. Ouwer. Trouwer. Maak haar recht. Bouwer. Wees my vrou, ek sê vir jou,
Oeh.
dan verlief op jou.
Another's melody go. Nee, these ouens can keep a melody at least. I fuck with that. Sis.
Dan besie, ouwer, trouwer, magareg,
Bouwer.
Wees my vrou, ek sê vir jou, dan verlief op jou, verlief op.
This man's on that type of level of love that his heart's going to jump out for this cunt, bro.
What an idiot!
Verlief op jou, soms wonder ek,
Soms wonder ek, moe, voor die blauw. Soms wonder ek.
soms wonder ek, as jy reg lief vir my. Soms wonder ek, hoe jy voel oor my. Soms wonder ek, as jy reg lief vir my.
Sure. Shot by Igmo. Sis.
A few moments later.
Are you telling me that Igmo runs his record label, records himself and produces himself, and shoots and edits his music videos himself? Nah, this is what the independent record label looks like, I say. Universal Records have some talented young people in their record label, I must say. And I'm going to be reacting to this other person. I can't remember their name now, but the track is My Mommy. So just keep posted for that one, because you guys are going to be definitely receiving that one soon. But yeah, this was definitely, I must say, not because I'm gerookt or anything, but this is a certified banger for the books. Nah, this is a perfect track to wake me up for the day, except for my wake and bake. This is my first joint for the day and my first track I've listened to for today. And I must say, another track, except, and another background of these visuals. These are like the type of music videos I like, when they're either in the ghetto, like the low parts of PE and stuff, really promoting the side of PE that everybody is so afraid to get into, and that doesn't get much recognition like it's supposed to, and it's all pushed away and shit, and I like that. And like these Owens, they keep it natural in the background, not green screens and all these special effects or people dancing in the background and stuff. No offense to people that do that in their music videos, but I like more natural, more like close to home type of music videos, you know, if I watch a music video. But yeah, this one, I must say, these two are two talented young men, so these guys are gonna go far in life. I'm someone that can look at a person, and then I can like read by the person you are by looking into your eyes, if you like a heart-sore broken person, or if you're a person that's going to get me into the wrong situations and get me into situations where I might lose my life and things.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care. Let me tell you, we don't care.
Or you someone that's going to take my life or something, you know what I mean? And these two Owens, I can see that these guys have a passion for what they're doing and they love what they're doing. And I know they're going to go far in life. I can see it already, they're going to go far in life. And this is just the beginning of their journey. And I'm so excited to be a part of their journey, because they're going to be dropping more music soon. So I can't wait to check it out. I hope they're going to be dropping music videos with those tracks as well. But yeah, if you guys enjoy that one, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Subscribe to the channel. Let's get 420 subscribers, and then I will host something at a 420 spot. We can do a last man standing thing, but let's get to 420 subscribers and I'll do that. It'll be a live stream on YouTube if I get to 420 subscribers, and everybody that's watching is welcome to join in the last man standing event. It'll be like a meet and greet with me and a few other artists and influencers and promoters and shit. So yeah, it'll be a lekker experience to enjoy, and just, you know,
Later.
But yeah, like I said, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and turn those notifications on to keep up with more bangers, and only but the bangers for the books, because you know we're only dropping bangers and nothing but bangers for the books. But yeah, there was another banger, Diro the Goat. I'm gonna check in the next one. Bruh!